Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockholm Supply. This here's a bandsaw that I'm fixing up a little bit for a friend. I already put new tires on it. I've got the guides all working and loosened up here. It's an old machine. It's a Sprunger from the 70s sometime. It's kind of a neat little unit. 14-inch wheel on it, but you got about 7 inches of resaw capacity, which is nice. There's one major issue left though, and it has everything to do with the belt that's on here. I'm going to turn it on. Watch what happens here. I'm sure that you guys can not only see but also hear how bad this bandsaw is rattling. This belt here has probably been sitting for 20 years, and it's got a big wide side on this big pulley on the side and a skinny side, so it's like an oval, and it makes that vibrate like crazy. So what I'm going to do here, just to quickly show you, is I'm going to replace this with Linkbelt and show you the difference in not only how smooth this bandsaw runs, but also the quality of the cut. So I'm going to make one little cut here on my bandsaw, and then we'll replace the Linkbelt here. So we're just going to slide this over. This is just my little ripper. I'm just going to take about an eighth of an inch off here. Hopefully that we can see this here. You can see how much that's tearing out and how much that's vibrating there. By changing this belt, now this piece of wood I cut is straight, and that's what the little ripper will do for you. But if I get rid of a lot of that vibration, that will be a lot smoother, which is what I'm going for here next. So let's change the belt here, and we'll make another cut and see what kind of difference we make. Okay, so we got the Linkbelt on there. Now I made a video in the past on how to put that Linkbelt together that I'll link in the top. I won't show it in this video, but what I did is I cut the rubber belt off and I measured it, measured a little bit under 4 feet. So I got 4 feet of Linkbelt. When you buy the Linkbelt, you buy it by the foot. And the nice thing is, the way that this stand is designed in this bandsaw, or whoever built it, it's impossible to get this rubber belt off unless you remove the motor. With the Linkbelt, you don't have to remove the motor because it'll just connect together. So if you look at this belt, this is the issue. You see how it's an oval? It's kind of stuck in that oval shape rather than the circle. That's what's causing your vibrations. With this guy, it won't take that oval shape, so it'll stay nice and circular, and it'll eliminate all that vibration. Now, I'll turn the bandsaw on. I'm going to make a cut. Right away, you're going to notice it's a lot quieter, a lot smoother. Hopefully, we'll be able to tell the difference it'll make in the cut quality as well. All right, let's cut her here. Okay, we cut a little thinner than I intended here, but if we compare this side by side, so you can probably see that's my original cut, how rough that is. Now with that same blade, same setup, without changing anything, how much smoother that cut is because I eliminated a lot of that vibration. So it's still not perfect. I could get it perfect if I put a better quality blade on there. That's just a really inexpensive blade that I had here. But it's a lot better. So really, if you're looking to upgrade your bandsaw, one of the biggest and simplest and nicest ways to do it, and least expensive, is just to replace that rubber belt with the Linkbelt. I'm a big fan of it. You guys have seen me use it in videos in the past because I really like it. So yeah, if anybody has any questions on the bandsaw or anything about the bandsaw, you can email me at info@stockholmsupply.com. If you want to see future videos, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.